Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sell and list digital product on your TikTok shop. Now this might be a problem for some of you who has already started your business in the world of digital product. As you know, you can't actually add a digital product into the category of TikTok shop. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So when you go to the product section here on your TikTok Seller Center, you will be able to find some options like manage product, product bundles, product optimizer, add new product, price bidding, etc. And we're going to go to the add new product sections right here. Through these sections, you'll be able to add and create a list for the product you want to sell on your TikTok shop. We will be greeted by the basic things that you will have to fill in, such as the product images, the categories, the product names, the product details, etc. So let's take a look at an example of what will happen if we add the name of a physical product. For example, this one is going to be long formal floral dress. And this might seem like a very long name, but some category actually have minimum of name character. So unless I put the character on that length, TikTok Shop is not going to accept the name. So I'm just going to add some more long sleeves. Okay. So you can see that once I added the product name on this box right here, on the category section, the system is going to give me a bunch of recommendation of categories that will match the name of my product. We got here the formal dresses from women's dresses, and then we got the casual dresses from women's dresses, and just dresses, and it falls upon the girls' clothes category. Let's say I want to click this one. I want to use that specific category, and it's going to be inserted over here. You can see that right off the bat, I got the notification about how short my product name is. So I told you earlier that some categories will need a minimum amount of character when it comes to the product name. And you don't have to memorize it at all because they're going to show you in the form of notification like this one. So I'm just going to add some new character. All right. So once it's enough, the notification will be gone. And if I would like to change the category of my product, all I have to do is click on this box again and search for the category. For example, I want to change this to wedding dress. And you can see I typed in wedding and I already got a bunch of options again. I'm just going to choose this one. And you can see that the category is going to change according to the one that I chose. You can see now it's changed to wedding dresses. Now let's try with digital product. So there are two words that comes up to my mind when it comes to digital product. That's actually more than just two words, but somehow these two pop up. And the first one is ebook. And you can see that when I choose ebook, I'm just going to delete this one for now. Or I'm going to search for ebook here. You can see that it does not appear in the form of category that I'm searching for because I want it to be in digital file. And the only thing that comes up with the word of ebook is just notebook and paper as well as electronic notebooks. And I'm going to try and change it into digital. So I was hoping that the word digital product will shows here on the category section, and you can see that it still does not appear. The only thing that appears are digital cameras and digital smart pens. So in order to be able to add your digital file, you're going to need the help of a third parties. And the one that I'm going to be using in this tutorial is Shopify. You can always create a free account on Shopify. They will give you 3 days free trials, and if you'd like to continue, you'll be able to get $1 for a plan for a month. So that is actually quite a steal, and then you can decide whether you want to continue using Shopify or not. I find this app very, very helpful when it comes to trying to sell my things because I can do drop shipping, I can add digital files, I can add lots of variety of product that I might not be able to add directly into my TikTok shop. So in order to add the digital product to be listed on your TikTok shop, the first thing you want to do is to add your product here on the product section. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add product here. And I'm just going to name this, for example, digital diary or digital product. And I'm going to go ahead and add the media here. And you can see that the category is going to be read by the meta field immediately or automatically. Then let's add the price. And I'm not going to track the quantity because this isn't a physical product. But if you would like to, just for fun, you can also do that. So let's say I have 10 here. And since this isn't a physical product, I'm not going to take this on. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on save for this one to make sure that it is listed on my product section. In order to be able to integrate or to connect my product from Shopify to TikTok shop, all I have to do is download an app on Shopify. And the name of the app that I'm going to be using is this TikTok shop by SPL. And the reason why I use it is because I am having an issue with the original TikTok shop apps that you can actually integrate with Shopify. If you can use this app with no problem at all, you can feel free to choose this one, because once you installed it, you can just go to the settings sections here and you have the options to take a look at the product catalog, meaning that you can actually integrate your product from Shopify directly to your TikTok shop. But apparently it does not available on my country, so I'm using the TikTok shop SPL instead, which works really well, surprisingly. So it works really similarly to the actual TikTok shop account or actual TikTok shop app. You can see that I got my product listed here. All I have to do is just click sync to TikTok and it's going to sync into my product listing. All right, so sometimes an error might occur, so I'm just going to go ahead and click fix me over here to see what's going on. Oh, so I need the product description. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one. Obviously, you're going to want to add the actual product description, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then I believe that I will be needing this still. So I'm just going to leave the measurement and everything. It's some sort of requirement from the TikTok shop by SPL, but it's still fine. Now, as you can see that I got the product activated on my TikTok shop, I'm going to try to take a look at my product listing here and see if I can actually see it. So there is still one more step that we need to do when it comes to adding the digital product into our TikTok shop. So you want to go to the manage product sections here and you want to make sure that you actually got the diary edit. So I believe this is the one that I've just added, and it's still on review, so I might not be able to sell it for now. But once you got the product finished reviewed, what you're going to do is you want to edit the description of that product, and you will want to add the link of our Shopify store. So I'm going to go ahead and open the Shopify store product page, which is this one's right here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and Control-C on this link. So you're going to want to add your link over here. Then you're going to want to create some explanation, such as click this link to get your digital file or something like that. So you will want your customer to go to your Shopify store when they're trying to purchase the digital product. And the only things that you will want to do with these page right here is just to make sure that you got this product listed on your TikTok shop so that you'll be able to get more customer through this platform. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on update. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a digital product listed on your TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.